Computer vision, CV. Computer vision is a very popular field of AI that trains a computer to understand and interpret the visual world. Human vision starts at the eyes, but machine uses digital images from a camera for vision. Deep learning models and machines accurately identify and classify objects that act according to what they see, using digital images from camera. According to Fifi Lee, computer vision is defined as a subset of mainstream artificial intelligence that deals with the science of making computers or machine visually enabled. That is, they can analyze and understand an image. Applications of computer vision. From recognizing to processing the live action of a football game, computer vision challenges and surpasses human visual abilities in many areas. Let us understand some of the real-time uses of computer vision. Self-driving cars use computer vision to examine their surroundings and plan its path. Drones can use computer vision to examine the health of crops and alert the farmers of the crop's condition. In healthcare industry, computer vision can be used to check the patient's image and determine the ailment. Computer vision is also used for security and surveillance.